So here we have two brackets, expressions in two brackets, 2x plus 3 and x squared minus 4x plus 1, and we're asked to multiply them out, expand them, and simplify the result. Several ways we can think about doing this. The first way I'm going to show you is to take this term, 2x, and multiply each of the terms in the second bracket by it. Then we're going to take the second term and multiply each of the terms in the second bracket by it. So first of all, 2x times x squared, that'll give us 2x cubed. If that's too fast for you, 2x times x squared, let's just examine it. 2 times x times x times x. X squared is x times x. And there's your 3 x's multiplied together with a 2 at the front. 2x cubed. Plus 2x times negative 4x. Positive times negative. 2 4s are 8. X times x is x squared. So there's negative 8x squared. And then the 2x times 1, that's just 2x. Now let's deal with the 3. 3 times x squared. 3 times negative 4x. Positive times negative is negative. 3 4s are 12, so that's 12x. Negative 12x. And finally 3 times the 1 is 3. Let's look at similar terms. We've only one term there with an x cubed in it, and that term is 2x cubed. We have a couple of terms with x squared in it. We've got minus 8 of them plus 3 of them. Now think of the number line. Negative 8 plus 3, you'd end up at negative 5. So that's negative 5 lots of x squared. Negative 8 plus 3. Now we've got the x terms. We've got 2 of them, minus 12 of them. Think of the number line again. You start off at 2, go 12 to the left, you'll end up at negative 10. So it's negative 10x. 2x minus 12x and minus 10x. And then finally plus 3 at the end. So there's the final result. 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 10x plus 3. So that's one way of doing it. Now I'll show you another way of doing it. Let's take the 2x and the 3, and let's take the x squared, the negative 4x, and the 1. Now we've got a rectangle here with 6 boxes. Now you can do them in any order you like. 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. Let's do this one. 3 times negative 4x is negative 12x. This one, 3 times 1, 3. This one, 3 times x squared, 3x squared. One in the middle of the top row, 2x times negative 4x is negative 8x squared. And then this final box here, 2x times 1. So you can do it in any order you please. So 2x plus 3 times x squared minus 4x plus 1 will be, there's a 2x cubed. Let's look at the x squared terms. You find them in this diagonal. 3 of them minus 8 of them, that's minus 5 of them. Let's look at the x terms. There they are in this diagonal. Negative 12x plus 2x, negative 10x. And finally, the 3. So be careful that you've accounted for all the boxes when you make your final simplification. But there it is. Some people quite like that. It's less liable to miss out terms and so on compared to that first method that I did.